Let's listen to English dialogues for beginners. On the plane.
Dialogue 1. Oh, looking for his seat. Read, looking around.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you help me find my seat?
Flight attendant.
Absolutely. I just need to see your boarding pass.
Sure, here it is.
You're in luck, Reed. You've got an aisle seat in row 12. You can stow your carry-on luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
Thanks a bunch. Is the window seat taken?
No, it's available. Would you like to switch?
Nah, the aisle is perfect. Thanks again.
Dialogue 2. Asking to go to the toilet.
Excuse me, is it okay if I go to the toilet now?
Of course.
Is that one available?
You know what? I think it's occupied. Somebody's in there and they're feeling sick. But you can use the one in the back.
I'll be quick.
By the way, we'll be serving in-flight meals soon.
I'm not hungry, thanks. I'd like to take a nap when I come back.
Very well. Here are some earplugs if you need them.
Thanks.
Hit the like button. It's so simple and it helps our channel to grow. Want to see more videos like this? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Dialogue 3. First time flying.
Hi there, I'm Reed. Is this your first time flying?
Ewa.
Hi, Reed. I'm Iwa. No, I fly quite often for work. How about you?
Yeah, it's my first time. I'm a bit worried.
Don't worry. It's only a little turbulence. Just keep your seatbelt fastened.
Okay, how much time do you think until we land?
The announcement will tell us. The cabin crew will update us on the local time and any layover info.
Great, thanks. I hope it's a smooth landing.
Me too, Reed.
Dialogue 4. Getting off the plane.
Hi, Grandpa. We've just landed.
Grandpa.
Okay, I'm here at the arrivals.
Great! I'll pick up my suitcase from the luggage claim and come out.
Hurry or you will have to take a taxi. I've waited here for 40 minutes.
Sorry, Grandpa. It looks like you're extra grumpy today. There's been a delay. We're getting off the plane now.
Check around your seat for any personal belongings.
Will do, Grandpa.
For more English dialogues, check out ava.com. So, check out this video. It will help you to improve your English right now.